Hello, it's Gary from Remap and Revive here with this Audi Q5 3-litre diesel 2014 car. It's recently been purchased by the owner who we've done vehicles for before. Went into Audi, they got told there was 4 recall notices outstanding, so they had to get all 4 done. The car came back feeling worse than it went in, and so we are here to do what we call an emissions fix rollback. So we're taking the latest software version off, taking it back to its original software version that it left the factory with. Then we're going to do a tune and just give it some more performance and help economy at the same time. So after this, the car will run just as well as it did before it went into Audi, but then on top of that it will run better because of the extra power, torque and potential economy gains we're going to give it.